Over the last few days, we have learned how to solve a system of equations using graphing, elimination, and substitution. Today, our objective is to use what we know about solving systems to solve a real-world problem. What I want you guys to do right now is take a look at the board and read this problem silently as I read it aloud. Janine empties her wallet and finds that it contains only $5 and $10 bills. If she has a total of 7 bills and they have a combined value of $45, how many $5 bills does she have and how many $10 bills does she have? Okay guys, so our first step in this problem is to define what our variables are. So SV, what two groups of bills are we comparing in this problem?
$5 and $10 bills.
$5 and $10 bills, right? So our variables, right, what we don't know is how many $10 bills we have and how many $5 bills we have. We need to use a letter to represent each of those variables. So why don't we use F for $5 bills and T for $10 bills? Can you guys write that down on your paper for me? So F is $5 bills and T is going to represent $10 bills, right? Okay. Our next step is to highlight the important information in this problem that's going to help us write our two equations for our system. Okay? So Jesus, what is one important piece of information that this problem tells you?
Only has $5 and $10 bills.
Okay, she only has $5 and $10 bills. Espy, what's something else that's important that's going to help us write two equations?
She has a total of 45.
So the combined value is $45, right? So the combined value of the $5 and $10 bills is $45. And what else do we know? Jesus, what else do we know about this problem?
She has a total of 7 bills.
She has a total of 7 bills. All right, that should be enough information for us to write two equations. All right. So if she only has $5 bills and $10 bills, and she has 7 bills in total, Jesus, how could I write an equation to represent that? So that we have $5 and $10 bills, together they make 7 bills.
F plus T equals 7.
F plus T equals 7. That's right. So that's our first equation, right? The total number of $5 bills and the total number of $10 bills will give us 7 bills total. All right, now we need an equation for our value. So how much is a $5 bill worth?
$5.
$5. So we could say that 5F, right? So for every $5 bill, it's worth $5, right? Okay? And then plus
10T.
10T, right? Because $10 of value for every $10 bill, right? And then how much does she have in total?
$45.
$45. Okay. So we have our two systems, right? So now we can solve using elimination, right? So if I want to solve this using elimination, first we need to make a 0 pair, right? So which variable do you guys think we should eliminate? F or T?
F.
Yeah. It doesn't matter which one we eliminate, but I think that F would be a little bit easier to eliminate, right?
Yes.
So what should I multiply this equation by to make a 0 pair for F?
A -5.
-5. Okay? So if we multiply this top equation by -5 and we distribute, we'll get -5 times F. So, Jesus, what is -5 times F?
-5F.
-5F. Okay? And -5 times positive T?
It'll give you -5T.
-5T. And -5 times 7?
-35.
-35. Okay, so we just distributed the -5 to the top equation. Now we're going to rewrite the bottom equation underneath that. So we'll put 5F plus 10T equals 45. Okay, now to eliminate, we're going to add these two equations together and combine our like terms. So SB, -5F plus positive F, what's that going to give you? 0, right? That's our 0 pair, it's going to cancel out. Then -5T plus 10T,
5.
give you 5T. And -35 plus 45,
10.
give you 10. All right, almost done solving for t, right? Our $10 bills. Jesus, what do we do next?
We divide both variables by 5. How many both numbers by 5?
So both sides of the equation by the coefficient of t, which is 5. Okay, so these will cancel out. That'll give us t is equal to 10 divided by 5?
2.
Is 2. All right. Okay, now we solve for t. All we need to do is plug t into or plug what we just solved t for into the original equation of f plus t equals 7. So we'll have f plus t equals 7, but instead of writing t, we should write 2, because we just solved for t. Okay? Jesus, what plus 2 equals 7?
5.
5, right? So f equals 5. All right?
Yeah.
How can we check our work for this problem?
Plugging in what we got for each variable into the equation.
Both the equations. I want you guys to do that on your paper now, silently and independently.